what we have is a custom filter made by Data Semantics. The whole problem why we made this is to make sure that we address the multi-table filtering problem. As you see, you have different tables and each table has different values under it. In the default Power BI filter, you don't find multi-table filtering possible. What we have done through custom filters is we have made sure that we have made a plugin to make sure that this is possible. So let's go for an example. What we have is warehouse.category is a separate table, and you can see the relevant values under it. Similarly, we have products. So click cameras, it filters for camera, and if you filter for text as state, it will again filter for that relevant state. If you want to remove it, you can just click remove, and also you can search for wildcards. Like if you're looking for a particular product, then click on it, then it will automatically filter it for it. That's it.